Jai Jagannath. Welcome back to PM Academy. Dear students, today I am going to give a topic which is highly helpful for your the current affairs so far the GS part is concerned. The name of the topic is Assam and ethnic groups, particularly 6 ethnic groups of the Assam. It is the today's topic. The 6 ethnic groups of the Assam named, that is the T tribes, Chutia, Koch, Rajbongsi, Matak, Moran, Taihom. They have been the demanding, particularly these the 6 tribes, ethnic tribes of the Assam, they have been demanding for the scheduled tribes status for the long time. There is a demand of the tribes for the longer periods that they must be included in the category of the scheduled tribes. And when the Modi government came into power in the 2014, before that UPA government, they claim, means actual the tribal people, 6 tribal leaders, they claim that actuals earlier the UPA government before 2014, they neglected, they never considered, and when the Modi government came into power 2014, they got the belief because immediately after the victory, Narendra Modi had promised them to give the ST status. But parameters are there. Declaring and giving them the status, a lot of parameters are also there. So generally, central government has a guidelines to include a particular communities or the ethnic groups to include as a scheduled tribes. 6 parameters are there. Number 1, evidence of the primitive features. Means actual that particular tribe must have the primitive features, they must have the tradition, cultures of the 1,000 years back. That means they are following the tradition, cultures of the 1,000 years back. Then distinctiveness, they must be distinct from the others. For example, a particular tribal community is there, they will not be the subsect or the subgroup of that ones, and completely they are the culture, tradition, features completely be the unique in the natures, and also must be thousand years old. Then next one is the geographical isolations. Why it is the geographical isolations? This clause is there because generally the tribal peoples, you will see the tribal people never you will find in the cities or in the villages, like what you can say semi-urban villages. Mostly tribal peoples prefer isolated places on the hilltops, hill slopes, or like this, or inside the jungles. So means they want to be away from the human society at large, particularly the urban human societies or the civilized human societies at the large. Then I can say another thing, that is the backwardness. Means actual always the tribal people will find that they are the gesture, posture, or you can say they are the dress habit, food habit, they are the shelters, that looks that actual they are completely backward. And means actual what we are studying the about 1,000 years back, the conditions, same thing is reflected today. Then generally they are reluctant to interact with the populations at the large. Generally the tribal people, so they don't also like to interact with the population in the large context, means a large number of the populations, because they remain isolated, either isolated and all the outskirts of the village or the cities or the districts, and generally they don't more interact with the larger populations. These are the different criterias that needs to be the fulfilled by the central government. Central government criteria are there, then the communities can be declared as the scheduled tribes. Then what happens, the step number, next step, the National Commission for Scheduled Tribes, they also submitted a report in the 2019, that actual 19 what they published, what they declared, means actual conclude that all the 6 communities possesses the characteristics of the scheduled tribes and qualified to be included in the list of ST of the Assam. Means the Scheduled Tribes Commission said that actually they fulfill all the criteria to be included in the scheduled tribe of the Assam. Now the thing is that actually why not included? Because like this the 6 tribes, others are also there. They are also demanding to be included in the scheduled tribes, and this is not the issue of the Assam. Present scenario in the Manipur, and you can also see in the Mizo and others. Many tribal communities are there in the different parts of the northeastern. They want the ST status. So this giving the status to one and create the that the lead the fire for the others. So that means government is trying to balancing a act actual. So this is about how the ST status is given by the central government of India or central government, and how the 6 tribal communities are the demanding to be included in the ST status. So now, dear students, before concluding my lecture, I request you to like my channel, subscribe my channel, be a subscriber of my channel, and you can also put the comment in the comment box. This is for today. Thank you very much.